Today, I have the Karinear electric cooker. This is made to be either installed or you can see I put the feet on here. You can see that it's plugged in because of the red light here. I don't know if you can see that. It flashes when it's plugged in, even when it's turned off. To get the burner going, you click the burner and you turn it on. And you can hear a cooling fan comes on and it turn it off. It has a timer mode. It has a lock mode. 5 to 6 is slow boiling or continuous steam cooking of roasts and stews. 7 and 8 is frying, browning of meats and boiling of water. 9 is fast frying, fast boiling, or grilling steaks. But I did notice something. If you try to turn these both on, you see how this is turning down? That's because there's only so much amperage you can get. So if I turn this up to 9, this is going to turn down to 3 no matter what this setting is set on. This one starts coming down as this one goes up no matter what this is on. And that's just a power management issue. But if you were going to use this just to, to simmer or to cook normally, medium is usually all you need anyway. So I like this a good bit. It's kind of classy. It says H there when it's hot. It's kind of heavy. You can tell it's well built. I love the air gap. It stays cool down below, but it's hot up here. It gets hot fast. Turn it on, press the button. 9. Just that fast. It's up to 450 degrees. I think you get the point. It's kind of nice. I can use this to supplement the burners on the stove. It's not made for commercial cooking, but I could see it being used in a commercial kitchen as well. I like it. It came with a seal, so if you did put it in the counter, some brackets. I like it. I think if you're looking for something like this, you'd like it too. As always, thank you for watching.